Alpcore XL Camping Cot. The Alpcore XL Camping Cot is a comfortable and durable sleeping solution designed for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just spending the night in your backyard, this cot keeps you off the cold, uneven ground and gives you a stable, elevated place to sleep. Its extra-large size provides plenty of space to stretch out, making it feel much more like a regular bed than a typical camping mat. What makes the Alpcore XL special is its sturdy and reliable design. The frame is made from high-quality materials that can support heavy weight while still being lightweight enough to carry easily. The breathable fabric adds comfort and helps keep you cool during warm nights. Setting it up is quick and simple, so you can get ready to relax without any hassle. This cot is also highly portable. It folds down neatly for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for trips or packing in your vehicle. Animaka Portable Hammock Stand. The Animaka Portable Hammock Stand is a handy and durable solution for relaxing outdoors anywhere, even if there are no trees around. Perfect for camping, beach trips, backyard lounging, or travel, it lets you set up a hammock quickly and easily, giving you a comfortable spot to rest and unwind wherever you are. What makes the Animaka Hammock Stand special is its strong and practical design. Despite being lightweight and portable, it can safely support adults and provides a stable, secure frame for your hammock. It's easy to assemble and just as simple to fold down, making it convenient to carry, transport, or store when not in use. Its compact design means you don't need natural supports like trees or poles, so you can enjoy a hammock anywhere, from the campsite to the beach. The durable materials and solid construction ensure the stand can handle regular outdoor use while keeping you safe and comfortable. Fiskars Norden Axes. The Fiskars Norden Axes are strong, reliable, and easy-to-use tools designed for outdoor adventures, camping, and everyday wood chopping. Whether you're preparing firewood for a campsite, clearing branches on a hiking trail, or doing backyard tasks, these axes make cutting wood faster, safer, and more efficient. They are built to give you precision and control, helping you work smarter, not harder. What makes the Fiskars Norden Axes special is their thoughtful design. The handles are comfortable to hold, reducing hand strain during long chopping sessions. The forged steel heads are sharp, durable, and built to last, so they stay effective even after repeated use. Despite their strength, the axes are lightweight and well-balanced, making them easy to carry and handle in any situation. Gas One GP 2030 SS. The Gas One GP 2030 SS is a compact and reliable gas stove made for outdoor cooking. Whether you're camping, on a picnic, or on a road trip, this stove makes it easy to cook hot meals anywhere. Its portable design means you can carry it without any hassle, set it up quickly, and start cooking in minutes. No need for bulky equipment or complicated setups, just a simple, dependable stove that works wherever you go. What makes the Gas One GP 2030 SS special is its strong and consistent flame. Grail Ultra Press TI. The Grail Ultra Press TI is a smart and reliable water purifier designed for people who love outdoor adventures, travel, or need safe water in emergencies. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring new countries, this purifier makes it easy to get clean, safe drinking water from almost any source: rivers, lakes, or even taps. It removes bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics while improving the taste so you can drink confidently wherever you are. What makes the Grail Ultra Press TI special is its simple, all-in-one design. The press system is easy to use. Just fill the inner container with water, press it through the filter, and you get purified water instantly. There's no need for batteries, electricity, or complicated setups. Its titanium body makes it lightweight, strong, and built to last, even on tough adventures. It's also easy to clean and maintain, so it's ready whenever you need it. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack without taking up much space. GT Skyloft. The GT Skyloft is a smart and comfortable loft-style tent designed to make camping and outdoor adventures easier and more enjoyable. Unlike regular tents that sit on the ground, this loft-style design keeps you elevated, protecting you from wet or uneven surfaces, bugs, and dirt. It's perfect for campers who want a safe, cozy, and practical place to sleep while exploring the outdoors. What makes the GT Skyloft special is its combination of comfort and convenience. The elevated design improves airflow and ventilation, keeping the inside cool and fresh. It's spacious enough to move around comfortably, store your gear, and sleep without feeling cramped. The durable materials are built to handle different weather conditions, so you can rely on it during rain, wind, or sun. Setting up the Skyloft is simple and quick, even for beginners. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on hikes, road trips, or weekend camping getaways. Folding and packing it back is hassle-free, so it won't take much space in your backpack or vehicle. Overall, the GT Skyloft is ideal for campers and outdoor lovers who want a safe, practical, and comfortable shelter. It turns outdoor sleeping into a stress-free and cozy experience, letting you focus on your adventure while staying protected and well-rested. The Cave XL. The Heim Planet The Cave XL is an innovative and spacious inflatable tent designed to make camping and outdoor adventures more comfortable and enjoyable. Its unique round design creates a cozy and protected space, giving you plenty of room to sleep, relax, and store your gear. Unlike traditional tents, it combines durability, comfort, and easy setup, making it ideal for families, friends, or long trips. What makes the Cave XL special is its inflatable frame. Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter. The Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter is made for people who want real comfort while sleeping outdoors. It's a great choice for camping, road trips, or car camping, where a good night's sleep makes all the difference. Unlike traditional sleeping bags that can feel tight and uncomfortable, this comforter-style design feels more like your bed at home. It gives you plenty of space to move while keeping you warm and relaxed all night. One of the best things about the Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter is its flexibility. You can use it as a sleeping bag, open it up like a blanket, or layer it for extra warmth on colder nights. The soft materials feel gentle on the skin and provide excellent insulation without being too heavy. It's warm, cozy, and designed for comfort in different weather conditions. The comforter is also easy to pack and store, making it convenient for travel. It's built strong enough for regular outdoor use and simple to clean after trips. Overall, the Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter is perfect for campers who don't want to sacrifice comfort for adventure. It turns outdoor sleeping into a cozy, restful experience and helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Mars Campers Space Air. The Mars Campers Space Air is a modern and easy-to-use camper designed for people who love adventure without giving up comfort. Whether you're camping, going on a road trip, or enjoying a weekend getaway, this camper gives you a cozy and functional living space anywhere. Its sleek design and smart features let you enjoy the outdoors while still having a home-like experience on the road. What makes the Mars Campers Space Air special is its thoughtful layout. It has a comfortable sleeping area, space to store your gear, and room to cook or relax. Despite its compact size, it feels spacious inside and is easy to tow or park, making it perfect for both short trips and long journeys. The camper is made from strong and durable materials, so it can handle regular use and different weather conditions. It's also very convenient to use. Setup and packing are quick, so you can spend more time exploring and less time preparing. Windows and vents provide good airflow, keeping the interior fresh and comfortable in all kinds of weather. Overall, the Mars Campers Space Air is perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a mobile, practical, and comfortable space. It makes outdoor adventures easier, more enjoyable, and stress-free, letting you relax, sleep well, and focus on the fun. Mollusk Nano 2. The Mollusk Nano 2 is a small but powerful gadget designed to make outdoor adventures easier and more convenient. Whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling, this compact tool is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable device that's easy to carry and use. Its lightweight design makes it simple to pack in a backpack, store in a vehicle, or carry on the go without adding extra bulk. What makes the Mollusk Nano 2 special is how versatile and user-friendly it is. Despite its small size, it performs tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort during your trips. Its durable build ensures it can handle regular outdoor use, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged while exploring or traveling. Using the Nano 2 is simple, even for beginners. Its intuitive design means you can start using it right away without complicated instructions. At the same time, experienced adventurers will appreciate its reliability and efficiency, making it a useful companion for all kinds of outdoor activities. Nemo Helio. The Nemo Helio is a portable and easy-to-use camping shower that makes staying clean outdoors simple and convenient. Perfect for camping trips, hiking adventures, beach days, or any situation where fresh water is limited, it allows you to enjoy a refreshing shower wherever you go. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or store in your car without taking up much space. What makes the Nemo Helio special is its efficient and steady water flow. It delivers a consistent stream that helps rinse off sweat, dirt, or sand quickly and comfortably. The setup is simple. Just fill it with water, hang it from a tree, pole, or any sturdy support, and you're ready to shower. Some models even offer adjustable pressure, so you can control the water flow for a better experience. Built for outdoor use, the Helio is durable, easy to clean, and ready for repeated use. Its smart design ensures it won't leak or spill, and it packs down neatly, making it ideal for travel and storage. Overall, the Nemo Helio is perfect for anyone who wants a portable, reliable, and convenient shower on the go. It makes outdoor hygiene easy, helping you feel refreshed, clean, and ready for your next adventure without any fuss. Ninja Frost Vault. The Ninja Frost Vault is built for people who need serious cooling power during outdoor trips and long days away from home. It's ideal for camping, road trips, picnics, beach outings, and tailgating. This cooler is designed to keep food fresh and drinks ice cold for extended periods, so you can enjoy your adventure without worrying about melting ice or spoiled items. What makes the Ninja Frost Vault special is its smart insulation and strong construction. The thick walls and tight ceiling lid help lock in cold air, allowing ice to last for days. Inside, the cooler offers plenty of space and smart storage options, making it easy to organize food, drinks, and ice. Some sections even allow dry storage, so important items stay clean and moisture-free. The Frost Vault is also designed with convenience in mind. It's tough enough to handle rough outdoor use, but still easy to carry and clean. The sturdy build gives you confidence in any environment, from hot beaches to long camping trips. Trigano Diablo 4. The Trigano Diablo 4 is a smart and compact camper designed for people who love traveling and camping without giving up comfort. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway, a road trip, or a longer adventure, this camper gives you a cozy and practical living space wherever you go. It's made to make outdoor trips easier and more enjoyable, combining convenience with comfort. What makes the Trigano Diablo 4 special is its thoughtful design. Inside, there's a comfortable sleeping area, space to store your gear, and room for cooking or relaxing. Despite its compact size, it feels roomy and functional, giving you everything you need without feeling cramped. The camper is also built from strong and durable materials, so it can handle outdoor conditions and repeated use for many trips. The Diablo 4 is very easy to use. Setup and packing are quick and simple, so you can spend more time enjoying your adventure and less time dealing with complicated equipment. Windows and vents provide good airflow, keeping the interior fresh and comfortable no matter the weather. Overall, the Trigano Diablo 4 is perfect for campers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a practical, mobile, and comfortable living space. It makes outdoor adventures simpler, stress-free, and fun, letting you relax, sleep well, and focus on exploring new places. UCO Cook-It Camp Kitchen. The UCO Cook-It Camp Kitchen is a clever and compact solution for anyone who loves cooking outdoors without carrying too much gear. It combines all the basic camp cooking essentials into one organized kit, making campsite cooking simple, clean, and stress-free. Whether you're camping, hiking, or on a road trip, this all-in-one kitchen helps you prepare meals easily while enjoying nature. What makes the UCO Cookit stand out is its smart-sized, space-saving design. All the tools fit neatly together, so nothing gets lost in your bag. Setup is quick, which means less time unpacking and more time cooking or relaxing. The materials are strong and made to handle outdoor conditions, giving you confidence that it will last through many trips. The kit is ideal for cooking simple meals, boiling water, or preparing quick food at the campsite. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and very easy to clean after use. Even beginners will find it simple to use, while experienced campers will appreciate its convenience and organization. Overall, the UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen is perfect for campers who want practical cooking gear without extra weight or clutter. It turns outdoor cooking into a smooth, enjoyable experience and lets you focus more on the adventure and less on the equipment. UCO Stake Light. The UCO Stake Light is a simple and smart outdoor lantern designed to make camping, hiking, or backyard nights brighter and safer. Unlike regular lanterns, it comes with a stake that you can easily push into the ground, keeping your hands free and giving steady illumination wherever you need it. This makes it perfect for marking pathways, lighting up tents, or creating a cozy glow around your campsite. What makes the UCO Stake Light special is how easy and practical it is to use. It's lightweight and compact, so you can carry it in your backpack or camping gear without taking up much space. The bright and clear light makes nighttime activities easier and more enjoyable, while the simple controls make it beginner-friendly. You don't need complicated setups or extra tools. Just stake it into the ground and turn it on. Durable and reliable, the Stake Light is built to handle outdoor conditions. Its energy-efficient design ensures long-lasting light, so you won't need to change batteries constantly. Winterwell Iron Stove. The Winterwell Iron Stove is a strong and reliable wood-burning stove built for outdoor adventures, camping, and cabin trips. It provides consistent heat, making cold nights warm and comfortable, and it can also be used for cooking, so you can enjoy hot meals while away from home. Its solid iron construction makes it durable and long-lasting,